So we're gonna make a tomato sauce. It's gonna be very, very spicy. The Italians call this the angry sauce. Arrabbiata, which means angry.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
The easy way to go about doing this is just to hop into your package drawer, grab your red pepper flakes, and make the sauce. But you know what? Because I've been cooking with all these dried chilies, now's the time to make our own smoky red pepper flakes. So we've got some guajillo peppers here. I'm gonna put it into a ripping hot pan. And then I've got all these chili de arbol. We're just gonna throw those right in. These, I can breathe it. I feel how hot they are already. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, we're gonna start pulling some of these. You put them on a plate so they cool, okay? And spread them out. We want them to breathe out a little bit. If you don't have a food processor, you can use the Struggle food processor, which is a plastic bag. And then crush with my hands. The more dried out you get these, the easier they're gonna be to crush. We've got our very own red pepper flakes. Here it is, my blend, the Piggy Spice blend. Let's get this tomato sauce going. We're gonna start with an onion. These provide no protection whatsoever. I just think they're great. They're fabulous. Through the pole here, and we'll come down, down, down. Get some heat on a pan. We'll come in with olive oil. All right, onion in. Angry does not only apply to spicy, it also applies to garlicky. Get the skin off these guys, one by one. Mincing up the garlic as best I can. Really nice and fine. All right, and this is going in. We'll hit it with salt, give it a good stir. Now's the perfect time to add our homemade chili flakes. I'm just gonna go in, here we go. Oh, that's gonna be an angry sauce. A little more. Our onions have softened. The hot peppers have made the whole room smell fantastic. I'm gonna come in with some tomato paste here. Work that in. This is gonna thicken the sauce. You really should only have to toast it for a minute or so. Wanna make this sauce extra saucy. We're gonna use some whole peeled tomatoes and crush them by hand. It's time to add them to our pan here. Beautiful. Whoa. The sauce looks angry for sure. We're gonna turn the heat down to low. We're gonna let this sauce simmer and reduce down a little. Now that my sauce has been simmering for about 20 minutes, I'm gonna cook the pasta so that the pasta and the sauce finish at the same time. Water's boiling, hit it with some salt. To the naked eye, this looks like spaghetti, but these are bucatini. They're a little fatter than a spaghetti, and they've got a hole down the middle, which makes for a really fun time while eating them. Pasta is looking good. I go straight into the angry sauce with the pasta. I'm mixing it for just about a minute. Now I'm gonna kill the heat. We better grate some cheese. We're gonna have to cut through all this angriness. Parmigiano Reggiano. And now, I'm gonna come in with the cheese and mix it again. I mean, I think it looks saucy and fantastic. But if you wanted to thin it out a little, pasta water, just a tiny bit. I'm adding basil to give us some brightness. You wanna do this at the very end because it's such a delicate and wonderful herb. Ever so warm through basil. I smell garlic. I'm not angry about having to eat this right now. It looks like a delicious bowl of pasta. It smells spicy and fiery, and I can't wait to dig into it. For $1.32 a serving, I don't know if anyone's gonna be angry about eating this. Let's dig into it. It's the perfect amount of spicy. I mean, it's spicy, I feel it, but it's not so spicy that I can't eat it. I mean, it's perfectly balanced out and mellowed by the cheese and that saucy tomato. Spice just keeps coming in a beautiful way.